Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? If you know the intro, you know the intro. If you don't, you don't. You just gotta sit back and, just, hey, next video you can lock in, right? Hey, but everybody do the... Fuck, I'm stuttering already, bro. This a problem. For everybody who been on this channel for a while, you know to do the intro with me. It's MET. X. Oh, shit. Damn, bro. I can never get this shit right. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? Welcome to the channel, bro. So if you new to the channel, hey, hopefully I can provide you some value with, just something, you feel me, make you laugh or just something, bro, So yeah, man, we back. I just basically just come over here to just update y'all, real talk. Just update y'all, keep shit real with y'all, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, before we get into the update, man, hey man, if y'all follow me on IG, make sure y'all go follow me on IG at METXRO. A follow back. Just let me know you from YouTube, bro. That's it. That's it. You don't gotta do no crazy shit. You don't gotta send me $5. You don't gotta do none of that weird shit, bro. I just follow you back. Just let me know you from YouTube. That's it. You feel me? If y'all ain't got no keychain, man, make sure y'all go tap in with the keychains, man. Let me show y'all. I got a new addition in, but this would look like right here. Hold on. This would look like right here. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. Shit like that. Make sure I go tap in with the keychains if y'all want one. It's up to y'all. If not, cool. Tap that video and just skip. You feel me? But hey, man, so second week. No, this is my third week. I think third week. Since I quit my job. So yeah, man. This week, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, I'm not the type of person to just come up on here and just cap to y'all. And just make it seem like shit is sweet, bro. Like, hey, I got hit in the markets this week, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And like, the thing is about all of this is like, I'm not mad about it because last week I was 4-0. Like, every day I traded last week, I won. So, you feel me? Hey, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, a lot of us traders know when you come off a crazy week, bro. Hey, next week, you just gotta be, hey, bro, you can't expect the same shit. Like, last week, I told y'all in my last video, after that week where I won, like, 4 trades in a row, and, I was just, like, I wasn't even happy about it, like I said, bro. I gotta keep longevity with this shit, but the only thing I really could say about this week is, like, bro, I was taking the same setups. I did notice the market wasn't really moving how I liked it to this week, so I didn't trade every single day this week. I think I went 1-3 this week. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I went 1-3 this week. And I'm not mad at all. Like, it's like I said, it's all a mental game, bro. Like, that same strategy that I used this week had me 5 and what? No, I think it was 4-0 last week. 4-0 or 5-0 last week. It's one of them ones. I gotta rewatch the video. But like, bro, I can't be mad at like it's ups and downs of this shit. Like, real talk. I think this week I'm gonna start off just lowering my risk just a little bit. Since I'm in the lose streak, I'm not just gonna keep trading the same risk. I gotta see. You know what I'm saying, not for my mental. It's not really for my mental. It's just to, hey, look, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a couple wins under our belt and this, you know what I'm saying, roll. You know what I'm saying? We like a little snowball effect, you feel me? So, like I said, my mental aspect, I'm cool, bro. Like, I'm cool. Losing weeks happen. I really haven't had like a losing week. It's been a while, like I'm not gonna sit up here and blame it on myself. When, you know what I'm saying, the same setups I took this week, I took last week. And, hey, bro, even the best traders, your favorite traders on YouTube, no matter how good they seem, no matter how perfect their strategy may look, trust me, bro, everybody go through losing streaks. I'm telling you, it happens. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't necessarily mean you a bad trader. It's just like basketball, bro. You could have 50 points last game, and then next game, you could only drop like 20 15, you feel me? Just shoot bad as hell, you feel me? You just gotta keep shooting that motherfucker, bro. You know what I'm saying? But if you gonna keep shooting, just make sure you shooting at the right shots, though. You know what I'm saying? Because that same shot you just shot and just airballed, you had a game winner at that same exact shot and that same exact position on that court, green. You won the game. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is, bro. Just keep shooting that bitch. But just make sure it's a smart shot though. You know what I'm saying? But trying to see what else I should update y'all on. Like real shit. Like I really don't like I was supposed to make this video earlier, but I was just trying to just think like what to tell y'all. Like, I mean shit, like, you know what I'm saying? It's a losing week. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I'm not sad about it. I'm finna trade the exact same way again this week. You feel me? But yeah, the price action this week, it wasn't really like I'm not gonna say I didn't like it, because if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be on the charts. But I definitely did notice, like, when I got into the trades, it was kind of moving. It was kind of moving weird, you know what I'm saying? And now, I mean, hey, I'm like, look, bro, real shit. 4 years in the game, I'm still learning shit, bro. I pay attention. I try to pay attention to everything. So if I do lose some way, and I'll be like, okay, I do remember I did see that, and I saw, because I ain't gonna lie, I did see like a little pattern every time I got into a trade. And you know, it was just like a little pattern, like some small things that I did notice. I was like, okay, I'm paying attention to this shit, but I'm gonna just let it play out. And you know what I'm saying? Hey, if it happened again, I know what to do this time. So just always try to make sure you learn from your losses. Don't always try to beat yourself up, because like, look, bro, like I tell people, bro, at the end of the day, bro, if everything go wrong with me quitting my job, bro, like the worst thing that could happen is just me going to get another job again, bro. That's it. That's literally it, bro. And that's not scary to me. Like, real shit. Like, bro, like, I'm, like, you know, like, hey, if you fail, you fail, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is really just a test trial. Like, me deep down on myself, I feel like it's time to go full time. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm not expecting the worst. I'm not expecting the best. I'm just coming here to do what I'm supposed to do and do it efficiently. You know what I'm saying? At the same time. And hey, bro, like, hey, you never know with this trading shit, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta just make sure I'm doing my part, I'm playing my part, and you know what I'm saying, whatever the markets is doing, hey, bro, I just gotta adapt to it, you feel me? So I'm not really worried about this week. It was a losing week, but hey, man, I'm just ready to get on to the next week. I'm not gonna sit up here and be sad about it, you know. Like, bro, I've been having good weeks. Like, with the strategy, the same trading is the same as that way. I can't let this 1 week fuck me up. Like, come on, bro. I haven't had a bad week like this in a while. Like, let's not think I had a terrible week where I was where I was like, oh, damn, maybe it's in my fucking throat, bro. But no, it wasn't like a bad week where I was like over leveraging or just doing shit I wasn't supposed to do. Like, you can't get mad at yourself. For anybody out there who is ever gonna come across a winning streak, I mean a losing streak or anything like that, if you know you did everything you do on those winning weeks and you just happen to lose that whole week, you, like, I'm saying, like, one thing I can say is try to notice that you're not having a good week, you're not perfecting the best. And I noticed that, and I didn't trade Friday. So I was like, man, hey, bro, I'm gonna just take a break, you know what I'm saying, reset, and then just, hey, show back up next week and see what's going to happen next week. So if you are in a losing streak, if you lose like 3 trades in a row, just be aware, you know what I'm saying? Just don't go through it carelessly, but at the same time, just pay attention, you know what I'm saying? Just pay attention to this shit. And just analyze. Just analyze where you at in the week. Analyze if it's, okay, it's Wednesday, you 0-3. You lost Monday, you lost Tuesday, you lost Wednesday. Okay, it might be time for a little back test session, you know, like a little midweek back test session, you know what I'm saying, to see, okay, just like review your losses and see like, okay, damn, this was going on a lot this week. I might need to either lower my risk or, you know, try to trade a little bit earlier, a little bit later. You know what I'm saying? Just analyze shit, bro. If you losing like back-to-back trades, just analyze shit and just try to figure out, hey, okay, am I taking the right trades how I'm supposed to? Okay, boom. Then it's just the market. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, bro, like, you gonna lose sometimes, and sometimes you just really can't blame yourself. Like, it could be a top tier setup and then they still fail. Like every setup, it's going to fail. Like, you feel me? Like, you can have a high probability of it succeeding, but bro, it's not gonna be 100%. You know what I'm saying? Some trades just fail. So and that's it. It is what it is, bro. So that's why I'm not mad about this week. I just wanted to come up on here and just be real with y'all and just let y'all know what my mindset is like. Like, real shit. Like, when you expect to go full time in this shit, you have to expect. You just can't unexpect shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just have to have an open mind and be like, hey, I know this shit can happen. It may not happen, but hey, you know it's gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's possible to happen. So, my mental, like I said, bro, my mental is strong. Like, my mental is strong as it was last week on that fight, the four straight. Fuck, god damn, can't speak for shit. My mental is just the same exact mental I had on that four trade winning streak. I have now. Like, real shit, bro. Like, I'm cool. Like, I'm cool. Like, I didn't blow my account. I traded how I was supposed to. So, you feel me? You can't be mad, bro. Like, hey, bro, it comes with this shit. And, you know, you just gotta have a strong mental to, you know, just say fuck it and just keep going, bro. That's all it really is. Like, that's all I can really tell y'all. I'm not gonna sit up here and just, like, try to get y'all, like, a bullshit speech or some shit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it is what it is, bro. Like, if you expected me to come up over here and just be like, damn, bro, like, oh, you know, just be sad and shit, like, I'm not finna do that shit. Because at the end of the day, I know what I signed up for. I know what the risks that come with this shit. And I like, bro, this shit is nothing new to me. You feel me? So I just really make these type of videos, like these little reflection videos, these update videos, like to show y'all what mindset y'all need to have as a trader. Like, either when you're full-time, not full-time, bro, you still gotta have, you have to develop that mindset. Real shit. So I don't know what else to say. I'm not just gonna keep up here and just yapping and shit, because honestly, bro, I gotta do something, bro. I gotta get the fuck out the crib. I gotta go get some food. I gotta do something, bro. I'm not finna just sit in the crib. I think it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. So I'm finna go find some shit to do, bro. And until Monday, bro, hey, bro, I'm not thinking about the charts. I'm just resetting my mind, just chilling, you know, do what I do, and just, hey, man. So yeah, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all just listen to this video, and maybe I can give y'all a little bit of insight on just, you know, trading shit and shit like that. So, hey, man, I appreciate y'all watching the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And we gone. Oh, yeah.